Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to part 2 of the Rzcrew garage intake installation. So this gonna be like a short video, basically all the hoses you need and what sizes you need. It came from my measuring tape, so I can't measure exactly, but I had gotten like 6 feet of these hoses, and then I got 1.5 feet of that. So for the crankcase one, well, yeah, for that hose, it's a 5/8. So basically, it goes right here. That's so. Then the other section connects to the air intake. That's so. And then for the PCV, that one, I believe it was this one. So this hose is a 5/6. So that goes onto the PCV, and then that also goes to the air intake. Now these two is optional. It's wherever you choose. You can put breathers. You don't necessarily have to run these hoses. Car will still work fine either way. And then this one is going to be for your Evap vacuum solenoid. This one is a 3/8. So that goes onto here. That's so. And then the way I'm gonna do it is run it behind the intake. That's so. Alright, where the hose go? Got way too many hoses down here. Alright. That will go onto this one. This one, I think that was a 6mm. So that goes through there. And then the brake booster hose. This hose is also a 3/8. So for this, it goes onto the brake booster hose, so. And then you bring it up. Gotta switch hands. And then you connect it to here. This is your brake booster line. So that's basically all the hoses you're gonna need. You also got one for if you want to run nitrous, methanol, and I can't remember the other one, but I'll put everything in the description below, and I'll put the sizes again in the description of the video. And that's basically how you hook all the hoses up from the intake stock to the new intake, and that's it. So thanks for watching part 2. See you on the next one. Peace.